What's up, buds? I'm just sending out prizes to OnAComet, winner, three-time winner of the FPV Triathlon. Wanted to shout out to all the hosts, man. Thank you so much, Donnie. Thank you, Quad Mafia. Thank you, FPV Hangtime. Love the shows. Appreciate the way you guys all collaborated and brought the whole community together to showcase freestyle racing and chasing all in one with Uncrashed. Love Uncrashed. I don't know if you've seen the awesome maps they've been doing with Sloss Drone Derby map they just made by El Gringo, and now he's making one for Castle Crash too. So you can get all the dopest spots right there in Uncrashed. Check them out. These are all the prizes I've thrown together for OnAComet. Just wanted to show you what he's getting. This is one of my favorites. This is the Fly High hot knife. These are limited edition. There's only about 6 of these left and they will be gone forever. It's got a ceramic tool on there, perfect for dropping your dibbity dabbities. 3 sets of rolling papers. These are my all hemp, all natural rolling papers. They're 1.25 size, 40 of them in a book. He's getting 2 Kevlar straps that are fast as fuck. He's getting the stick ends. These are the sandworm stick ends for thumbers. M3. I also make them for pinchers. Sorry you lost that strap, fell. LEDs. We got a bunch of 6S LEDs he picked out and chose his voltages and colors. Throwing in a VCI hat and a load of stickers. Thank you so much to everybody who participated, everybody who came out and watched, everybody who entered videos, all the sponsors. There were so many awesome sponsors who came out and supported the event. I really appreciate y'all. And again, thank you, Donnie, Quad Mafia, for the Quad Mafia boys, Flyzone, Sergio and Mikey especially, and the Hangtime crew, JBones and Madman. Check them all out. You can see Quad Mafia and Donnie on Saturday nights. Their shows are early and late, and then you got the Hangtime on Tuesday nights. It's early. Check them out in the evenings and come see the streams. If you need dope ass parts or prizes, check me out. I'm right here in the shop and I got tons and tons and tons of drone parts ready to ship out to you every single day. I'm right here shipping parts, flying drones, and having fun. Make sure you're entering these contests. There's tons of good ones. We just did the 420 contest with Nappy FPV last night. So much fun, so dope, so many prizes. I'll see you all soon.